Okay, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. So we are in the discussion of decimal numbers. So we studied how to expand a decimal number, and secondly, if a decimal expansion of a number is given, then how will you write in the decimal form? That's also we studied. And next comes, if a fractional form is given, a fractional form of a number is given, we should be able to write its decimal form. A fractional form in the sense that the denominator of that fraction or the exponents of 10. Exponents of 10. Exponents means what? 10, then 10 square, 10 cube, 10 raised to 4 like that. That is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that. So the denominator of a particular fraction is the exponent of 10. Then we could understand how to write its decimal form by shifting sufficient places from the right side. Sufficient places. That is, if the denominator of that fraction contains only one zero, we shift one place from right side. The denominator is 100, that is 2 zeros. That is, we have to shift 2 places. If one place is short, then what will you do? We have to add zeros. Then put the decimal point. All these things that we have discussed, and I am very much confident that all of you know how to write it easily. So it's over, the part is over. And later we have studied, if the denominator of a particular fraction is not the exponent of 10, that is 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 20, 1 by 25 like that, then also you have understood that by converting that denominator into the exponents of, that is the powers of 10, by multiplying some fixed number in the numerator and denominator. That is also easy. So today our aim is to write. So the decimal form is given, then how will you write its fractional form? The denominator, the powers of 10. That's what we are going to discuss today. Okay, write the fraction. Write the fraction. That is 0.8. You just think it in the reverse order. How did you get 0.8 from the fraction? See, that is 8 by 10. Clear? So, see, here after the decimal point, one place. So, if it is one place, that is 8 by 10. 8 by 10. So, reverse process. 0.8 can be written in the fraction form, that is 8 by 10. You can simplify it. How? It's a common factor. Here, 2 is the common factor, in which 4 times. Here 5 times. So its fraction form is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Clear? So 0.8 can be written in the fraction form 4 by 5. Okay. Next. 0.25. This is a decimal form. So how did you think about it? That is, after the decimal point, 2 places. So how will you write? That is 25 by 2 places. That is 25 by 100. So this 25 by 100 can be simplified. So it can be written in the lowest form, that is 25 one time, 100 that is 4 times, that is 1 by 4. So 0.25 is equal to 1 by 4 actually. 0.25 equal to 1 by 4. Okay. 0.25 equal to 1 by 4. Let's do some problem also. Next, 0.06, 0.06. Again, so here the number is actually 6, but don't neglect this place 0. So after decimal point, 2 places is there, 2 places. So the number is 6. Since it has 2 places, we'll write 6 by 100, 6 by 100, 6 by 100. So by simplifying in 6 to 3 times, that is 5 times. So 3 by 50. So 0.06 is equal to 3 by 50. 0.06 equal to 3 by 50. Okay. Next one. 2.75. 2.75. 2.75. 2.75. So actually without decimal point, this number is what? 275. 275 divided by. So after the decimal point, we have 2 places. After the decimal point, we have 2 places. So 275 divided by 275 divided by 100. You don't bother about the integer part. This is not an integer part. You don't bother about the integer part. But while you write the number, you have to take this number all together. That is 275 without considering the decimal point. Without considering the decimal point. So 275 is our number, and we have to shift 2 decimal places. We have to consider 2 decimal places here. That is 2. After the decimal point, 2 places. That's why we wrote here 100. 275 by 100. 275 divided by 100. You can simplify it. Okay. Okay. So by simplifying 275 by 100, first step, you got 55 by 20. Again, it is possible. 5 is possible. So in which 5 11 times? Here 5 4 times. So 11 by 4. 11 by 4. That is 11 by 4. 11 by 4. Clear? Okay. So 2.75 is equal to 11 by 4. 11 by 4. 2.75 is equal to 11 by 4. Okay. One more. Sixty-two point 350. 62.350. 62.350. So without considering the decimal point, what is our actual number? 62,350 divided by from the decimal point, how many places here? 3. If it is 3, we will write 1000. Okay, 1000. Now you can simplify it. Let's see, this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. In 6235 by 100. Okay, you can simplify it. Write it. So 1247 divided by 20. I think there is no other common factor here. 1247 divided by 20. So 62.350's fractional form is 1247 by 20. 1247 by 20. Okay. Clear? Yes. Okay, next one, 15.025. 15.025. 15.025. So first, so neglecting decimal point, what is our actual number? 15,025. Now, how many places here? 1, 2, 3. 3 means that is 1000. Okay. Then now simplify. Okay. 5 is a common factor. So first of all, you got 3005. See, how do you get 3005? In 15, 3 times 0. Again, you have to write 0 here. In 2, 5 is not possible. So again, put the 0. Then 25, 5 times. Here, 200 times. Again, 2 is possible. 5 is possible. 6 times 0, 1. Here, 40. No more common factors. So the last one, 601 by 40. 601. That is 601 by 40 is the fractional form of that number. Okay. Clear? Now we move to the operations on decimal numbers. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I have no doubt about all of you know how to add, subtract and multiply. So by adding decimal numbers, the only thing that you have to keep in mind is that write the decimal part and integer part separately. Then add as it is. Similar procedure is for subtraction. Okay, let's have a look. See, 3.5 plus 0.45. ഇത് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ട ഒരു പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഒരു കാര്യം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ നമ്പറിലുള്ള ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ദ ഇൻറ്റിജർ ആൻഡ് ഡെസിമൽ പാർട്ട്. ഹിയർ ഇൻറ്റിജർ 3, ഡെസിമൽ 5. ഹിയർ ഇൻറ്റിജർ 0, ഡെസിമൽ 45. So write like this, 3.5. The second case, write the decimal the same places, that is 0 here, then 45 like this. No, 45 like this. Now add. Here 3.5 means 3.50. So 5, 4 plus 5, 9. That is 3. That is 3.95. 3.95. 3.95. That's all. Simple. Okay. Next one. Zero point 0.025 plus 0.525. 0.525. 0.025 plus 0.525. So write 0.025 plus 0.525. 0.525. So 5 plus 5, 10. Clear? 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 2, 5. 5. Then 0. 0.550. 0.550. That is 0.025 plus 0.525 is equal to 0.550. ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ടത് ഡെസിമലിൻ്റെ അടിയിൽ ഡെസിമൽ കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് എഴുതണം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തെറ്റിപ്പോവും. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ. സെയിം റൂൾ, ദറ്റ് ഈസ് 12.52 minus 3. Where will you write 3? 3 here. 3.3. ഇവിടെ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ടത് ഈ 3നെ മാറ്റി ഇവിടേക്ക് എഴുതരുത്. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു 03 ഉണ്ട്. 03യും 3യും ഡിഫറൻ്റ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ 3 ഇവിടെ തന്നെ എഴുതണം. 3 ഇവിടെ തന്നെ എഴുതണം. ഇവിടെ കൊണ്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ മാറ്റി എഴുതരുത്. ഇത് ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടെ 30 എന്നാണ് മീനിങ്. ഇവിടെ 30 നമ്മൾ ഇടുന്നില്ല മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളത്. 3.30 മുമ്പിലിട്ടാൽ പണിപാളി. ഓക്കെ. Now subtract as it is, that is 2, 3, 5, 2. Now move 3, 2, it's not possible. So here borrow 3, 12, 9. So 9.22, 9.22. Clear? 9.22. That is a subtraction. Okay. One more. Minus 6.128, 6.128, 6.128. 28.042 minus 6.128, 128. Then in this usual way, 8, 2 is not possible. So borrow from here. So here 3, here 2, 12. 8, 12, 4. Then 2 to 3, 1. Here again 0, not possible. So borrow from here. Here 7, here 10. 1, 10. 1 to 10, 9. 6, 7, 1. Then comes 12. 21.914. 21.914. Clear? Okay? Okay. So hope you understand everything. That is the fractional form, addition, subtraction. This addition and subtraction is not a new topic. So actually decimals is not a new topic. Especially addition, subtractions, it's all previous topics. Just I mentioned. Okay. Go through it and understand the problem. Write down the notes. And more about we'll discuss in the Google Meet. Okay. Thank you.